cottage that came from, I don't know what kind of bird it is, maybe you know,
Wow.
what do you think it might be?
Whippoorwill.
I don't know what it is. but
Catbird.
If that bird was human,
Catbird.
what would he be saying?
Did you hear Linda? Catbird.
What would that be?
We have them out here.
I think it would be glad to be here.
Oh.
Pleased to meet you.
There was a bird in your house. Didn't you see it?
Be here. You know what? We'll holler. Amy's been practicing that bird in my house for quite a long time, and long enough that our granddaughter has picked up on it. And she knows bird, and she knows house, and she knows in, and she knows windows, and things like that. So one night we were playing, she had a particularly long day, and she was very wound up. And she grabbed my guitar, and she was sitting it. She kept saying, a bird flew in my window, bird flew in my window, and said to me, and I'm like, okay. It's 7:30, 8 o'clock at night, 8:30 maybe, and I said, okay, Chloe, give me the guitar, and you keep singing, and I'll try to play something. So we started to melodically go, bird flew through my window, message do you have for me, and then bird flew through my window, and so we just, I picked that up and I kept adding colors to it. Bird flew through my window. What message do you have for me? A bluebird flew through my window. Sing, be happy and free. Sing, be happy and free. A red bird flew through my window. What message do you have for me? A red bird flew through my window. Sing, be happy and free. Sing, be happy and free. A yellow bird, so you get the idea. I just kept quietly saying yellow, purple, green, whatever.